used to kicking to begin with, so good. Just breathe through your nose for me. Oh yeah, home run. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh my God, that was the best moment of my
Now
life.
looky there. Still,
That was
you're kicking
so
even
awesome.
better. Isn't that great?
Wow.
That's a wow adjustment. I think that's what I'm gonna name this video.
Wow.
Wow adjustment
Yeah.
on Houston lady. The Astros are playing today. Nope. Double dinger time.
Lord.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness.
Should have felt that second one all the way down. Yeah, I had to do a double dinger on you because you resisted on that first one.
Oh.
That'll be the title of your video. Double dinger for North Carolina man. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
You crack Aggie's favorite too. Yeah, well, I didn't do it overnight either. It took me like 6 months to change my sleeping pattern. I had to build a fort around me with big pillows. Could just breathe. There you go.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. You should have felt that all the way down. How'd that feel?
really good.
Yep. Well, boy. Yes, ma'am. And yes, you are still kicking. There we go.
That is very nice.
Well, that's it. Here, one more. There you go. Got you on that one.
Oh, God.
Feel a little taller now?
Jeez.
Yeah. Okay. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder where your left big ear. There you go. Better. Better. Now left ear to left shoulder where your right big toe. Much better.
Wow.
That was what I wanted.
Okay.
It's been a real pleasure treating Dakota this week. And Allie's along for support. There we go. Boy, oh boy, doesn't get any better than that, Jesus. I'm going to adjust your cervical spine. See if we can help that vision. There you go, lay your head back. Okay, now just breathe through your nose. Just like that. Yes, ma'am. Keep breathing. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Yeah, you see, you're still kicking your eye.
That was crazy.
Okay, let me have your neck here. Atta girl. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder with your left big ear. There you go. Gotcha. Yes, ma'am. So we're getting compressed all of our lives, yet most, there we go. Chiropractic adjustments don't decompress it on the y-axis like that one does. That's why I call it ring dinger. Did you feel that all the way down, didn't you?
I did.
Yep. Okay, just relax your head in my hand. Yes, sir. Boy, crack addict's gonna love you. Yeah, boy. Oh. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. Good. Alright. Let me tilt you left. Just like that. Oh, yeah. Doesn't get any better than that, my friend. Okay, there we go. And just breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Oh, yeah.
Whew.
That's why we call it ring dinger. You felt that all the way down, didn't you? Yeah. You're still kicking up your eye.
That was wild.
Yes, ma'am. You're gonna feel a little taller here in a few seconds. Look at you. Yeah.
And that's why I go fishing, cause
That's where you know.
uh-huh.
There you go. Lay your head right on back. Now I want you to keep your teeth together for me, Sam. Breathe through your nose. There you go. felt that go all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if you can walk. See, you're still kicking. You're fine. You know, I don't know why orthopedic spine, neurospine surgeons tell people that we're going to paralyze them. There we go. Getting chiropractic adjustments is a lifestyle choice that is healthy. Relax. Yes, sirree. Home run. I know we felt that one all the way down.
Oh, man, that was like 10 years worth.
Yeah, that was like 10 years worth of compression. Or 20. Okay, let me have your neck. Yes, sir. I got you. No, tilt your ear to your right shoulder. Move your left toe. Okay, that's all. I'm not going to force you. Should have felt that go all the way down. You're doing that, Ebert, just a reminder.
All right.
Okay, yeah. Yes, sir, Bob.
Oh.
That's why I call it ring dinger. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
All the way down.
Yes, sir. And look at there, you're still kicking. Imagine that. Okay, lay your head in my hands on this one. Oh, yeah. Doesn't get any better than that. Yes, sir. There, something better. Okay. Just lifting your hair out of the way. Now just keep your teeth together for me, Christy, and breathe through your nose. Just like that. Boy, oh boy, that was a home run. I don't have to ask twice if you felt that one all the way down.
Oh my goodness.
I heard that.
Look at there.
all
Look at
the
there.
way through.
Yeah, she's kicking better now too.
Woo.
You're gonna really love this Palmer diversified rotary brake. Drop it. There. Tilt right. There you go. Okay. There we go. Now lay your head back. Okay, I want you to keep your teeth together. Just breathe through your nose. There you go. I know that got that area. Yes, sir.
Wow.
I don't have to ask twice if you felt that one all the way down.
Whew.
That was a good pull. Okay, let me have your neck. There you go. Drop this in my hand here. I got you. There you go.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
That felt good.
Yep. Just like this.
Against the wall, I put them.
Yeah. Better to put them on a couch or a footstool or something, or clothes basket flipped upside down with a pillow duct taped to it. Just breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Super. Feel that all the way down?
All the way.
Yep. Keep breathing. Okay, let your head relax in my hand here.
Oh.
Okay. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder, wiggle your left ear.
Oh.
Okay. See, I told you I didn't need your help. Okay. Yeah, that's a wow adjustment.
Yeah.
Just sort of rest your hands right there. Okay. Now, take a deep breath through your nose. Yes, sir. Home run. Now, you felt that all the way down, didn't you?
I felt a lot of pops.
Right. That's what I mean. You felt it go all the way down your spine. Good. See, you still got a head. You're still talking. Okay, I got you. There you go. Yes, sir. Now, that's a real adjustment.
Got everything there.
Yes, sir. It says no insurance, cash only. We do not accept insurance in here at all. Okay. There you go. Yes, sirree. Home run. That's why I call it ring dinger.
Yes, sir. I'll be right.
Keep breathing. There you go. You're still kicking. You're right.
Wow.
Yeah, a wow is right. Okay, relax this. Okay, now let me do it. You're trying to help me. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. There you go. Yes, sir.
You'll be all right.
Keep breathing. Breathe. That's
Oh my gosh.
Yep, that's the most common reaction we get is OMG. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Good. Okay, keep breathing.
I think I'm taller.
Yes, you are. I got you. That's a girl. Oh, yeah. I told you I was just getting started.